So we're with Tom from Dialled In.
What's up, people?
This is his very nice dyno build he's going to tell us all about.
Yeah, what's up? So this is my 2016 Dyno Lowrider S. Bought it pretty much stock, as you can see. Done a fair bit to it ever since. So got a Bassani Road Rage Greg Lutzker 2-in-1. We've got the Leather Pro saddlebags. Got the SDC Saddleman Gripper Pro. Probably the biggest visual thing is the FXRT with the pursuit pods. Absolutely love the setup on this. Completely changes the ride on motorway miles. What else have we done? So we've got the Dialled In Cycles points cover. These dropped about 2 weeks ago, so fresh off the press. I'm rocking CarPlay as well, just because I'm a bit of a CarPlay snob. It's nice to be able to do waves and stuff whilst riding and change music and stuff like that. And that's kind of it. So, yeah.
Start.